In the Mastering Luminar Neo course, you'll learn how to edit photos like this. And I'm confident this is the best educational content I've ever created. And it's going to fast track your learning in a way my YouTube channel never could. Because these lessons are structured to flow logically and comprehensively cover every aspect of Luminar Neo. Whether you're an absolute beginner or a seasoned pro, this course is designed to guide you to become a better and more capable photo editor. You can choose to progress through the logical structure of the course, or you can just dive straight into the topics that interest you. Through over 18 hours of content, yes, you heard right, you can explore every facet of Luminar Neo and discover all of my editing secrets, many of which I haven't shared anywhere else. We'll discuss editing concepts and develop your editing skills as we unpack Luminar's extensive library of tools. You'll learn how to take precise control with masks. We'll look at the benefit of using layers and explore tips and tricks for better workflow and much, much more. If you're familiar with my teachings on my YouTube channel, you'll know that I use clear and simple explanations so that editing concepts, no matter how advanced, become accessible for anyone. Hi, I'm Anthony Turnham, an award-winning photographer and photo editing educator, and I'd love to invite you along to my proudest achievement yet, which is this, the Photo Editing in Luminar Neo course. I really hope you take this opportunity, and I hope to see you in the course.